Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Etsy with AI. Etsy is one of the most popular online marketplace. For example, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, and SimilarWeb is a platform that you can go on to get the estimated amount of traffic that a website or app is getting. You can see that majority of Etsy visitors or traffic is coming from tier 1 countries, and by tier 1 countries I mean United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and Australia. And on average they are getting over 400 million visitors per month, as you can see right here. So they are definitely getting a lot of traffic. Now, how will you be able to make money on Etsy without making anything and using AI? The AI platform that we'll be using in this example is none other than ChatGPT. To get started, for example, if we were to go onto Etsy.com and type in ChatGPT prompts, you're going to see ChatGPT prompts, and from there you can type in for, then you can simply leave it blank. You can see different topics, and these are topics that persons are searching for on Etsy, as Etsy is a similar marketplace to Amazon. So all of these keywords that you are seeing right here are keywords that customers or potential customers are going onto the platform and typing in. So you'll be able to create prompts for any one of these right here, and you can create a listing for it. And you can see right here, I tapped on one of the examples, and you can see it is quite simple, as you can see what it includes. And you can also see that a lot of persons are purchasing this, as at the moment over 20 persons have this order in their basket, and they are selling it for $2.61. And by scrolling down, by the way, you can see that it is 60,000 ChatGPT prompts. That's all they are doing. And by scrolling down, you can see the reviews right here. Some persons are saying it is super simple and generic. And you can also see that other persons are saying that this is a credible seller and it was definitely a good purchase. So to create these prompts to sell, all you'll need to do is go onto ChatGPT, and I would recommend that you get the extension that I'm currently using. As you can see that my ChatGPT dashboard looks completely different from the basic one. To get this extension, all you'll need to do is open another tab. Then from there, you can search for ChatGPT for search engines prompt templates, as you can see right here. And you are going to search for this. Once you have found it, you're going to simply install the extension. Once you have installed the extension and you have signed in, you are going to be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to realize that your ChatGPT is a lot different. So for example, if you wanted to sell ChatGPT prompts for social media, all you'll need to do is stop right where you see social media content. Then from there, you can see different examples. So let's say, for example, you would like to create some prompts around promoting their page. You could tap on promotion page. And by the way, this is an example of how an in-depth ChatGPT prompt would look. So all you'll simply do, you could simply copy this, or you could use this as an example, and you could copy it and then you could change it to your own words. So once someone purchases it, any section that you see in the bracket right here, they would simply fill in that information, as a prompt is basically the command that you'll be typing in to ChatGPT. But it all depends. If your command is vague or not as informed, you won't get a detailed answer, which is why persons go onto Etsy and other platforms to purchase specific ChatGPT prompts, as you may be wondering why someone would purchase that. And as you can see, persons are purchasing ChatGPT prompts for numerous options, as you can see right here, for different niches. For example, they're purchasing it for marketing, they're purchasing it for YouTube. So you can go onto ChatGPT and you could even type in, come up with 10 prompts for YouTube. So let me do that real quick and see what it comes up with. Let's see, right, 10 ChatGPT prompts. for YouTube, and let's see what it comes up with. So we'll tap on enter right there. And you can see if I were to type in that, that's what it came up with. But now let me tap on new chat right here. If I were to tap on new chat and then tap on video right here, after you have tapped on video, you will see YouTube and you can see different subheading. If I were to tap on, for example, intro to a video script, you can see it is a lot more detailed. So I'm telling you that this is the layout that you would be using to sell your prompts on Etsy. So you could simply copy this layout and change it. You could simply copy this layout and then change it into your own words. And for example, you could use a notes or you could use Google Docs and you'll simply paste it right there. Then all you'll need to do is turn it into a PDF, and from there you'll be able to upload it. As you can see right here, all you need to do is provide a digital file for them to download on Etsy and you'll be able to start making money. If you don't want to do that, you can do something else, as there are persons on Etsy that also purchase Instagram captions. So for example, for that, you can see right here, and you can see that numerous persons are making money doing this. So let's say I were to tap on this option right here. These are some sales captions. So you can see the listing right here. And again, with the plugin that I showed you to download earlier, the extension better yet, you will be able to come up with captions quite easily. So let's say you wanted to come up with a caption for your sales caption for social media, as you can see right there. All you'll need to do is go back into ChatGPT. Let me do that real quick. Once here, let's say you want to come up with a caption for sales. All you'll need to do, you're going to tap on social media content. Then after you have tapped on social media content, you can see the different topics right here. And we are going to select caption. If you don't see caption, which I don't see caption at the moment, all you'll need to do now, you can simply type in. For example, you can see on ChatGPT, I simply typed in the prompt, write 10 intriguing captions for real estate Instagram page. After I tapped on enter, you can see some of the captions that it came up with, and it also included emojis, as you can see right there. So you could simply copy and paste these captions and you could add them to a notes or you can add them to Google Docs, and then you'll be able to sell them on Etsy. It is as simple as that. The only thing is you probably won't get sales immediately and it will take a bit of time, but by consistently putting work and by improving slowly and by observing your competition, hopefully you'll start making some sales and you'll start making some money. This is only 2 ways that you can make money on Etsy using AI. There are numerous other ways, and I hope this helps you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.